Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro, and in this video we're going to be looking at the products that you use to basically make purchases with the credits. So in a previous video we looked at the buy credit product, and this is the product that's set up to basically purchase credits. So in this instance we want to be looking at the products we spend the credits on. So if we look at this product quickly, you can see it's available for 20 credits. And this user has a credit balance of 200 credits. So if we add that to cart, we view the cart, we can check out with this as a credit purchase essentially. If I just place this order, you can see the credit balance has been reduced and it's a credit purchase order. So how we set this product up is basically by setting it as a credit purchase product. So if we edit this product settings, so you'll see in here that the credit purchase option is selected, and then that gives us a value here that we can set to basically allow customers to purchase this product with credit. Now you may want to also set a value here depending on some other settings in the plugin. So for example, tax reporting and currency reporting will require a value. Even if that value is not displayed on the front of the site, you may still require a value to be in that box, and especially when you have a dual pricing system as well. For example, if we look at this product and we don't have a credit balance, this product's going to display in a currency amount unless you select credit only store. Now there's some other videos that explain the kind of different interactions between the various states, so I won't go into too much detail here. But it's important to know that sometimes you do require a value in that box. So if you left it blank, WooCommerce would default it to become a free product, and that can sometimes cause a little bit of confusion. So if you're not aware of that, just make sure that you probably need a value here, even if it's not being displayed. So with that said, basically once you've entered a value here, you can choose to save the product, and that basically makes it available as a credit purchase product so that your customers can purchase it with credit. And depending on what you're selling, you may want to set it as virtual or downloadable, and then you can kind of set those options as needed. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick it in all the videos that you're probably going to see, just to keep reminding you. And also if you've got a comment, leave a comment, and if you've got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.